Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So I'm on top of some roofs still. I was working on this one and it's got dry rot on it and some other issues. But this one here is just sitting here next to it. And so I figured, hey, do a video on it, say something, right? So obviously they have 4 solar panels on here. If you can't already tell, especially with all the white on the connections, this roof has been coated. It's not one that we coated, I can tell you that, but it basically has been coated and it's due for some work too. I can see that the side seams and the edges and the insert moldings are replaced. That's an actual water cooler on that style unit, and that needs to get painted. That's usually, those are no longer available, but that needs to get painted so that it doesn't deteriorate anymore. But I was going to say, if you paid all this money to have solar panels, not keeping them clean, how are they going to charge your system, right? So if you're watching this, my advice to you is replace all your insert moldings, tighten up your rails, replace your gutter ends, get up here and clean your solar panels, clean your air conditioning, paint that guy, and then go from there. There's even blue tape still on here where they, did it from way back when and just forgot to take the tape off. So, all right, well, stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, your Urban Specialist. Have a great day. Thanks so much for watching.